Hi, I'm Kyle with Alpha Structural. We're here at our recently completed pedestrian bridge in the city of Stanton. It consisted of bridge replacement from an unfortunate DUI crash where a vehicle coming down from this street went airborne and collided into this bridge, rendering it unusable and essentially cutting off all of the access to all the constituents that use a large park over here. We were brought in under an emergency declaration to get this bridge engineered, designed, and approved through both the City of Stanton and Orange County to get this bridge functional, back up and running as fast as possible. We were hired to do the engineering work, the design work, the plan check expediting work, and the construction. And as you can see, looks pretty good. We just finished it up. We did all the fencing, all the bridge design, the planking. We did ADA upgrades and approaches to make it functional and acceptable for disability access. So now we have fully operational bridge, permitted and built in record time, and it's available for use. The park is now accessible for the constituents of Stanton. We did a great job, the team did a great job, and everyone's very happy. If you're a property management company, a city, a government agency, and you have emergency work or insurance claims where you need very fast engineering and construction services for structural damage, bridge damage, any type of structural repair work, give Alpha Structural a call. We'll get it done fast, we'll get it done right, and you'll be very happy.